and have the lead unit back off a bit.
That's 5. Henry 1 is overhead. There's a lead unit back off a bit. 17, will you copy?
Fucking maniac. Oh shit.
Must move.
And the music you didn't know you loved.
What a fucking nutcase, man. Holy shit.
I'm more heaven.
Starting normal recording.
Holy shit. That fucking sucks.
What exit? What exit?
Canaan.
All right, got it. Cool.
Canaan, turn left.
Yeah. I'm
Go all the way.
I'm at the off ramp. Oh, I see the
Oh,
I see the backup.
you're. Oh shit. Okay. Are you behind me or in front of me?
Oh shit! Holy fuck! Oh
What?
my god! Holy fuck!
What happened?
Dude! Oh my god! Somebody probably just died. Holy fuck!
Somebody just got hit.
Oh, they probably just fucking died. I'm gonna call 911. I gotta go. Bye.
Bye.
Norfolk 64 westbound near Tidewater Drive. This has now been pushed off to just the left shoulder, but heavy delays are still back there before Norview, and actually there is a crash in those delays that's near Norview, also blocking off the left shoulder that direction, so that's not going to help your recovery, just going to slow you down a little bit. HRBT on the Hampton side eastbound, you're up to the Hampton River Bridge and closer to Rip Rap Road. Norfolk side westbound.